go get a second job, go get a third job first, get the money first before you actually book a call. There's no reason for you to book a call if you don't have money. Literally go to the main video on my channel. It explains everything, right? It literally explains everything. The point of the call is to enroll. Maybe that's how I got to talk to y'all. The point of the call is to enroll. The point of the call isn't to bring your non-having money self and be asking 9 to 5 questions, right? I don't have time to be doing all that. I'm working with people that are ready to elevate and get to the next level. And part of that is having money. So if you don't have the money, get the money first and then come book the call. But with that being said, y'all have a blessed one.